Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Robert, and I am doing video diary of the steps I need to go ahead and do to create a YouTube channel. So, Fixed in 5 is a handyman service that is located down in Central Florida. And I said to myself while I started this company, I think it's time to go ahead and create a YouTube channel. So, let me flip this around, show you my equipment, then put you up on the ring light, and then I could talk you through what my plans are, what my goals are, and what's the purpose of me going through this video to share with the world. So here we go. So right now, nothing special. This is my laptop. I don't have a fancy laptop, nothing that is $2,000 or $3,000 worth. All I have is this HP, which is great. It's still able to do the edits that I needed to do and do it in a timely fashion. And it's very beginner friendly. So the program I'm using is Filmora. And again, very simple to use for first time YouTube creators. Highly recommend it. There's my desktop computer. I got my big ring light, my little ring light, and then just a really cheap video camera that I picked up off Amazon that shoots in 4K. And I think it was only about $100 and maybe $20, which wasn't bad. I also picked up a microphone off of Amazon. I believe that was 25 bucks. So that way the sound quality comes better when I am talking to you. So there's my setup. Nothing special. Always make sure you got paper so you can write your notes down and your plans and where you could see your channel going. And then I have a whiteboard beyond there, and that's gonna tell me what I have upcoming, but also hold me accountable for going ahead and filming and getting the edits out to you guys on YouTube. So let me go turn this around and then we'll have a little chat. All right, so here we go. Now, the whole reason why I want to do this is because I'm 37 years old. I believe I missed the boat for the whole YouTube craze, but the more I research into it, the more I find out that YouTube is so young right now and it's growing really, really quick across the world that I didn't miss the boat. So here I am wanting to do content and put it out there so that way people can see. What's this channel all about? This channel is all about home maintenance, construction, things that you could do around your house yourself, and you don't have to call in a professional or a handyman. And I want to create a community where we could all come together and just share ideas, and I could entertain you. And maybe you guys could learn something from me. Right now, I currently only have 27 subscribers. That's right, 27 subscribers. So I am solo on the ground in this huge sea we call YouTube. Like I am that little speck of sand on the bottom of the ocean, which I'm hoping to grow one day into a nice big fish, maybe even a shark or a whale. But sky's the limit. I am one that has watched YouTube so many hours of my life on that side of the screen saying, well, if these people are able to do it, why can't I? Where's my motivation? Why do I want to do it? And my motivation is simply because eventually I want to create this into a business where I could create and earn passive income. I'm not going to lie. I definitely want to see if I can make some money off of this, because why not? You know, but I definitely also want to let people know, because there's so many things that I've done in the past that is so simple to me that it might not be simple to you. But if I'm able to show you the easier way to do it, then you could learn. So if I could just capture one person to say, wow, I didn't know that, or that's a great idea, let me go try this next time, then it worked. This video that I'm doing right now is not going to be a part of the other videos that you're going to see on my channel. This video is solely going to track me as like a video diary of a new YouTuber, what I've done, the pros, the cons, the good stuff, the bad stuff, and track me throughout my YouTube career. So for the first, I would say every 5 to 7 days, I'm going to do a video with you guys and update you about what's going on, how many videos I did, what was working, maybe what hashtags worked, how many subscribers I gained. Are those subscribers liking, commenting, and sharing, or are they just there and they're ghosting me? So I think that's important to see. And I already know in my head right now, it's going to take forever. It's not so much forever, but you got to know that I'm not going to go from 27 subscribers to 27,000 subscribers in a day or two. It's not going to happen. But if I could grow at a steady rate and eventually climb to 100,000 plus subscribers, that would make me happy. So let's see where we could go with this. I'm excited. Again, this is going to be the behind the scenes of what I'm doing and my rants that I'm going to give you guys. I hope you are going to like it. I hope you might even learn something from it, because there's nothing that I don't like. There's nothing worse than having these big YouTube giants that have so many followers and they're so good at what they do. I'm not knocking them on that, but they're the ones that are saying this is what you need to do. All you have to do is this, and then boom, you become a YouTube famous. It's not that simple. But maybe in 90 days, I have this video and I'm like, oh, guys, it is that simple. Go ahead and do it, because maybe I'll lead the path for some people that haven't thought about doing a YouTube channel and going ahead and doing it. So let's begin this and see how far we could go. Let's do it.